So, are you curious to know what I realized sa aking mga negosyo? Well, what I found out was that there were many root causes of our problems. Dami palang root causes nun. Gulo-gulo pala. No? First of all, no, based on yung mga naitanong natin kanina, ang sales namin ay hindi maximize dahil sa tatlong bagay. First of all, yung aming business model, yung aming tao, at yung aming marketing. Let's talk about this. Firstly, wala akong alam tungkol sa business models. Nandun lang kami, alam ko lang, business, you buy something, you sell something, make money. Paano namin gagawin yon? Hindi namin alam. Basta bibili, bibenta. We had no clear strategy, and so our marketing was confused, and so were our people. Now, let me talk about people next. Marami kaming incompetent na tao at that time. It's not because that they were bad people, but it was because some were wrong hires. Most of them actually were wrong hires. Kahit anong gawin namin, kahit natutukan pa namin sila ng barel, they would never succeed in those jobs dahil hindi sila swak doon sa mga work na yon. Meron kaming na-hire na hindi swak. So, wala talagang mangyayari. And even tama yung mga taong na-hire namin, hindi naman namin na-train ng mabuti. So, we did not clarify what we expected from them so that they can perform well. And yung iba na-train nga namin, okay, pero hindi naman namin chinek yung kanilang performance na, kumbaga, ano yung na-train namin sa kanila, nagagawa ba nila ng mabuti? And then, automatically, every year, nagtataas kami ng sweldo kasi sabi sa newspaper, sabi ng mga tao, no, sabi ng gobyerno, pero hindi namin alam na kapag ang tao ay tinataasan mo lang ng sweldo ng pare-pareho, what we were actually doing was that we were rewarding those who were not performing well, and we were demoralizing and demotivating yung mga gumagawa ng trabaho, yung mga nagpa-perform ng mabuti. Ginagawa din ba ninyo yon, yung pagtataas lang ng sweldo na pare-pareho? Well, now that I've fixed those issues, I can surely help you to grow your business by growing your employees. Kaya ko na yan. That time, gulong-gulo talaga ako. But you will learn more about that later. Other than people, we have the area of marketing. Hindi namin alam yung 4Ps. I'm sure you know about that. Now, if you don't know about that, Google it. Basic na concept are the 4Ps of marketing. Ang products namin, no, yung first P, products namin, hindi siya swak doon sa kailangan ng aming customers. So, ang dami-dami naming stock, dami-dami naming binibenta na hindi gumagalaw for so many years. The next P, yung price points. Yung price points namin, yung iba napakataas ng presyo or yung iba naman napakababa that our markup needed improvement. So talagang kailangan na naming mag-focus sa aming numbers. Kaya lang hindi ako nakafocus doon dahil ang focus ko ay utang. So yung pangatlong P, place. We realized that many of our store locations were not good choices. Hindi namin nakita yon ng maaga, kaya ang dami naming nasayang na pera sa rent, sa mga kuryente, tubig, utilities, and manpower on those stores. So yung kumbaga yung mga kumikita na store, kinakain itong mga ibang stores, mga slow-moving stores or the non-performing stores, kinakain yung kinikita ng mga good stores. Finally, yung aming pang-apat na P sa 4Ps are the promotions. Dami namin ginastos sa promotions that did not get the level of sales that we expected. Promo kami ng promo, sale kami ng sale, pero ganun pa rin yung benta. Hindi swak siguro yung messaging namin sa pangangailangan ng aming mga customers. So hindi kami nakaka-attract ng tao para pumasok sa store. So that was the first group of lessons that we learned. Marketing and people.